Doing an unboxing for worldwide corals. I've always wanted these corals in my tank. Never got them though. Came today on a Saturday. Pretty awesome. There we go. And of course you get the Worldwide Corals little card they give you. Packing slip letting you know what you got. Everything else. Nothing too crazy there. They do give you something cool which I like. It is an acclimation guide. Basically it's how to put your corals in your tank, which, you know, it's kind of cool that they actually think about that kind of thing. But at any rate, here is the inside of it. Let me make a couple cuts here. They do a good job at taping, I'll tell you that. Alright. Okay, so heat pack still warm in here. It's taped to the front, or top I should say. Excellent. Alright, here we go. These are the 2 frags that I purchased. Looks like they came out of their cups, but they look pretty healthy. No problems here, as far as I can see anyway. The bag is actually not too cold, which that's a surprise. Chicago right now is very, very cold. Well, I can't really say it's very cold, but it's a lot colder than we've been used to for the last couple months. So I'm actually happy that these came out okay. I was kind of shocked. I really kind of thought that I'm always worried about buying corals halfway across the country. I always have a funny feeling that they're going to come in dead or something bad's going to happen to them. But these are actually really good. So these open. Looks like they stapled everything, which that's cool. I obviously kind of used to the rubber band method, but no big deal. All right, I am gonna undo these, dip them, and get them in the tank. Video shortly to show you what they look like, but so far so good. Really happy with the Saturday delivery. Everybody that works weekdays knows that it's incredibly hard to get corals, especially this time of year and in the winter. It's very hard to get corals when you're at work. So appreciate that. Looks well packaged. Couldn't really ask for much more as far as the packaging goes. Let's see how the corals do. Okay, so I'm gonna go directly by the book on what they're saying. Basically what they're saying to do is to cut the bag, put the corals and the water in the bowl or container, and then fill up the rest with tank water. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes, and then put it in the tank. So, let's try that. Okay, a little better close-up of the coral. Like I said, they don't look too bad. I've definitely received worse, in worse condition I should say. So let's cut these open and get these in the bowl. want to get these in the tank as fast as possible. It's getting to the point now that they've been out of the tank for too long. Or out of a tank for too long, I should say. And the plastic cup that came in kind of came off, so I'm just going to take that out. And the next one. Alright. Now I'm not going to need much tank water here because the bowl I'm using is really small. But as you can see, they're both in there. What it tells you to do, actually, it tells you to go ahead and with a turkey baster, get rid of some of the, very gently get rid of some of the nonsense that's on these frags. And so, again, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna try and do anyway. Interestingly enough, it doesn't say anything about dipping it, which is sort of funny, you know. But at any rate, like I said, I'm going right by the book. Exactly what they're telling me in this document, what I should do. So that is exactly what I'm doing. Now, what I am going to do is I am going to throw some tank water in there. Now they are completely covered, so there's no reason to add any more tank water. You can definitely see some little particles that are in the bowl. I hope that's coming through on the video, but it does actually brush off some of that stuff. So I'm just going to continue to do it very gently until really nothing is coming off of there. Okay. All right, so that is where we're at right now. Basically, to me, it looks like the corals came in healthy, which is great. And it also looks like there's minimal debris that really came off. I mean, you're always gonna get some. All right, they are in my tank. They're looking pretty good, actually. Both of them are. A little bit of polyp extension, not too much. But that's to be expected for two brand new pieces of coral. Overall, very satisfied with everything from Worldwide Corals. Hopefully I can get these things to grow pretty well. And that's about it for today, the unboxing of Worldwide Corals. Have fun reefing.